In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a form in Smartsheet, Form Access 2026. By the end, you'll know exactly where to click and how to get a shareable form linked to the right people without exposing anything you don't intend to. Start by opening your browser and going to smartsheet.com. This is the main site where you'll access your sheets, dashboards, and forms. If you're already signed in, you'll be taken right in. Otherwise, you'll see the sign-in screen. Sign into your Smartsheet account. Keep this quick. Choose your sign-in method, enter your credentials, and complete any verification your organization requires. If your company uses single sign-on, pick that option and proceed as usual. After you log in, you'll land on your home screen. Think of home as your launchpad. You'll see your recent items, favorites, and a navigation pane that includes workspaces. Everything we need to share a form lives inside the sheet that the form is connected to, so we'll navigate there next. Let's work from the sheet you'll be using. The form you want to share is tied to a specific sheet, so we'll locate that sheet first. If you already know where it is, great. If not, the left panel and search bar make it easy to find. Click All Workspaces on the left to expand your folders. Choose the specific workspace where the sheet resides, then select the sheet itself. Opening the right sheet is important, because the form pulls its fields directly from the sheet's columns. Once the sheet is open, look to the top menu bar for the Forms option. It's easy to miss if you're new to Smartsheet, but it's right in the Sheet View toolbar. This is the hub for creating, managing, and sharing forms connected to the current sheet. Click Forms, then choose Manage Forms. In the panel that opens, locate the specific form you want to share. If you have multiple forms, pick the one that matches the use case you're targeting. Click Edit to open its settings, then select Share Form. This is where you'll get the shareable link and adjust access. You can decide who can open the form and whether they need to be signed in, based on your organization's standards. When you're ready, copy the link and distribute it through email, chat, or a button on a page your team uses. A quick tip: test the link in a private browser window to make sure the access works as expected, and the form captures the right fields. And that's it. Go to smartsheet.com, sign in, land on home, open the right workspace and sheet, then use Forms, Manage Forms, Edit, and Share Form to publish your form safely and confidently.